Hello friends, what we have here is a saucepan. We have fried meat and other things, sausages and so on, and a lot of residues of grease and even bits of meat there. And I'm going to show you how we have to clean this from the point of view of a plumber. Before anything, you must know that dumping grease down the drains ends up clogging or blocking the pipes. The grease sticks to the walls of the pipes and starts accumulating and growing till it forms a big hard ball that blocks the flow. The only trap that stops grease is the grease trap, and it is used most usually in high volume kitchens. Most homes have the other kinds of traps that don't trap grease, only heavy particles, and stop sewer gas from getting into your home. So, any solid waste we have here, the grease, bits of meat, and any other solid, we must dump it in the trash bag. And for that, we can use this tool. We remove these solids and drop them in the bag. The residues that are semi-liquid, like this grease, that takes longer to get solid, we also must dump it into the trash with some paper that will absorb it so it doesn't drip onto the floor. But we must remove the most we can of this greasy waste. Once we've done that, we can remove most residues using some absorbing paper and throw that into the trash. At this point, the amount of greasy residues is very little. Some people like to leave a layer of grease on a saucepan so food doesn't get stuck to it. However, grease gets rancid, so it's a good idea to leave the saucepan spick and span every now and then. For this purpose, we soak the pan with hot or boiling water. If we don't have hot water in our tap, we can use a kettle with boiling water. With this, we soften the grease so we can dissolve it with detergent. Then we let that soapy, greasy solution flow down the drains, past the trap, and out of our pipes with the help of hot water. Because once the grease gets cold, it will stick to the pipe walls and it will start accumulating into a big clog of grease. So, once the grease is soft, we leave a pool of water in the pan and we add detergent. And then, with a soft sponge, if your pan is a non-stick one, Teflon pan, or if your frying pan is old and ruined or has no Teflon on it, with a steel wood scrubber. We remove all that is stuck on the pan, making sure the detergent absorbs the grease, taking it into solution with the water. When we have removed all the grease, we rinse it well with hot water, lots of hot water. We make sure no residues are left. we rinse again, and with a sponge and detergent we can verify no grease is left on the pan. And as you can see, the detergent forms foam and isn't stained brown. In this way, we clean our saucepan and also care for our pipes, so we don't have to be calling the plumber so frequently to unblock the pipes. Well, that's it. That's how we should clean a saucepan that's full of residues of meat and grease and so on, and at the same time we protect our pipes. I hope you like this video, this very short video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.